Okay, review tayo for coming civil service exam. And now, paragraph organization po tayo dahil ito po ay time-consuming part pagdating po sa exam. Dahil alam naman natin, when it comes to exam, oras po ang ating kalaban. But before that, sa lahat po na naghanap po ng civil service exam reviewer updated, meron po kaming soft copy and hard copy. Just message us on our Facebook page. Yung link po ay nasa bio. Okay, so let's analyze this one. Pag paragraph organization, direkta na po agad kayo dun sa choices para less time. At hanapin po ninyo yung topic sentence, yung can stand alone sentence. Okay. So sa choices natin, B and C lang naman po yung mauna. So tignan natin yung letter B. Kung ito ba yung topic sentence. That is why many people apply to take the career service examination. So basically, hindi po yan yung topic sentence. Kasi parang conclusion na po siya. Parang nasa dulo po ito. Okay. So, tingnan naman natin tong letter C. Career service eligibility is a major requirement to apply for a job position in the government. So, tama po to. Ito po yung mauuna. So, pag nakuha po ninyo yung topic sentence, eliminate nyo na po yung letter A and letter B. So, ito lang po yung pagpipilian natin. Okay. So, tingnan natin tong C na choices. Ang next ay itong B. That is why many people apply to take the career service examination. So, mali din po yan. Kasi parang conclusion na siya. Nasa dulo na ito. Okay. So, dito, ang tamang sagot ay letter D. Kasi yan lang po yung naiwan. So, tingnan natin. Career service eligibility is a major requirement to apply for a job position in the government. Next D, if you pass, you will get a certificate of eligibility. So, konektado po siya. So, next, tong letter A, this will be one of your ticket to land a job in the government. Okay, so konektado dito sa letter D. Okay, so ang tamang sagot dito ay itong D. Pag paragraph organization, hanapin nyo po agad yung topic sentence. Okay. At magkakasunod-sunod na po yan. I hope you got this one and follow for more tips, updates, and tutorials for your coming exam. God bless!